Welcome to Smart Graphics 24 Academy.
Uh, we are going to learn how to remove a background of a picture before using it for a design. Mm. So we have a lot of R for you that we have um, Remove.Bg and we have photo room, but today I'll be taking you how to remove background using Remove.Bg. You can download the app from Play Store. Come to Play Store, type remove.bg, then you search for it. The app will come, you download this one, then you install it with just 2.5 2.9 megabyte, or you can go and use the Google Chrome. Then this one, okay, when you come to Google Chrome, you type remove bg or remove.bg, then it will come. Tap on the first link here, then you click on what, upload image. Then you click on upload image, it will come like this. Then you scroll and select the image you want to remove the background. So let's see, I want to remove the background of this image, this one. So I select it, then after selecting, I'll type on what, done here. So done, and you wait for it to what, upload. Then when the network is good, you see it is processing. See, the background has removed nicely. Then you come to and type on download here, then download, wait for it to download. It is now done. You can type on what, open, and you find it being here, or you can go to your design place. They will launch Basil Lab. We're going to launch our designing app, which is this one. See, let's import the image. This is the image, and you see the background has been removed nicely. Thanks for watching.